So what I have here is a tachometer out of my 80 Turbo Trans Am, and it was giving sporadic readings, or inconsistent readings I should say, and the needle was flopping all over the place. So what I decided to do was try and replace the circuit board. So that's what I'm going to be walking through today, and this technique can be used on 78 to 81 models, as the tachometers are pretty much the same. First thing we need to do is remove the tachometer back support bolts, and they are 3 screws which are located on the top here, on the side, and right here on the bottom. And the size socket you'll need to remove those is 3/16. After removing the 3 bolts, you'll feel that there's still some tension on the housing, and why that is because there are 3 terminals here on the underside of that circuit board where it's creating tension. So you want to be careful when you start to pull that housing away from the face. And don't forget, the next thing you want to do before or after is remove that red wire and the black wire, which are connected to your clock. Since I was able to remove the housing, I can now finally access the mounting tabs for the circuit board, and you will need a 8mm socket to remove them. Now with the new circuit board I have, and the old one, I need to remove these tabs here and insert them onto the new one. After transferring the tabs to the new circuit board, all you need to do is to slide it back on and tighten the nuts down and reassemble in the reverse order in which we disassembled. I purchased this circuit board from Cajun Tack Shop, and you can find them by searching for Cajun Tack Shop or by finding them on eBay. I hope this video was helpful, so thanks for watching.